Oh, I'd probably do that.
What?
Probably. Not in first. You let out of the clutch too hard and didn't give it enough gas.
What do you mean I let out of it too hard?
Let out of the clutch too fast without enough gas.
Then what do I do?
Give it more gas and let out of the clutch
I don't
slowly.
fly off.
If you let out of the clutch slowly, you won't do that. Oh my God, Matt. I'm gonna spend the first 10 minutes of this video trying to get you to be able to. Go, go, go! Keep it running! Go, go! God damn it, Matt! Clutch, kick up.
I don't want to like go up too hard.
You're not gonna break that thing.
I know. The problem
That
is
dirt bike has been through a lot worse than anything you can put a dirt bike.
Why are you making me do this?
Because it's fun.
You want to see me go through trouble? Is that it? Fuck.
Is it in?
What's in first?
Just kickstart it in first. Just hold the clutch in.
No. I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
No, it won't. If you have the clutch in, it won't. Not enough gas?
Right before you do that, get yourself rolling a little bit.
Oh my God.
That'll keep her from
I spent 2 minutes with you driving 10 feet.
And then
It's not in neutral. I'm not.
You're making fun of me.
It's still not in neutral.
Ah.
There you go.
Sorry about the poor footage. I'm getting frustrated. You're in second, aren't you?
Probably. Push it all the way down.
Sam, just shut the four-wheeler off for right now while we try getting this. Do I have to show you how?
No.
You're not in fucking neutral. Just hold the clutch in. Look, Matt.
What?
Just hold the clutch in.
Okay.
Kick it.
It's
Kickstart the motor.
why?
Because with the clutch in, here, I'll stand in front of it with the clutch in. It's not gonna go anywhere.
But now.
Kick it down. All right, now, let out of the clutch slowly and give it a little bit of gas. Roll, roll, start rolling. You're not in first. He's gonna go to the road, ain't he? Shift! Shift! Sam! Just don't hit the brakes. Okay, seriously, Sam? I'm holding on with one finger.
If I go sideways, I'm sorry.
I just don't want you to smash the brakes.
You don't know what to take.
Alright. I'm not scared of staying on. I'm scared of when you hit the brakes. I want to go till he falls. I want him to fall. Oh, maybe even hit the tree. how to stop.
Whoa! No, not close.
Matt, do you know how to stop? Do you know how to stop? Shit, Matt! That was close enough!